I love the sense of winter. For me, it's all about the feeling you get when you smell spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, bay leaf, cardamom in chicken pulao, which is a unique recipe in its own and will keep you warm during this winter season. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's vlog I'm going to share a very unique chicken pulao recipe. So let's get started. So for 1.5 cup of rice, I have taken double the quantity of water, that is 3 cups of water, and in goes a whole garlic pod along with 1 onion. I have just roughly chopped it into 4 pieces along with some ginger julienne, and in goes 1 kg of chicken. I've just thoroughly washed and cleaned this chicken. So in goes the chicken. Now switch on the flame and I'll be adding few whole spices. These are the whole spices that I have used. So in goes 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns along with 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds with 2 black cardamoms, 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks and 3 to 4 cloves and 1 bay leaf. So in goes salt to taste. Now let it come to a boil. Give it a good mix, and yes, you need to cook it till your chicken is fully done. Just remember, we need to cook till our chicken is fully done. Now give it a good mix and let it come to a boil, and once it comes to a boil, cover it and simmer it for around 10 minutes and our chicken will be done. And yes, it is done. As you can see, you can insert a knife or a spoon. If it easily gets through the chicken, that means our chicken is fully done. So just keep it aside and let's move on to our next step. Take a wok. And in goes around 2 teaspoons of refined oil. And here we are going to saute our chicken. I've just taken out the chicken out of the stock, and yes, you need not have to throw that stock. We will be using that stock to cook our rice in it. So just preserve that stock and take out the chicken pieces out of it and saute them into this oil for a while, or you can use butter instead of refined oil. I have used sunflower oil. You can use butter as well. Just saute it for a while and take it out. So here, as you can see, they are done. So just take them out and into the same wok and oil, I'm going to fry onions. And before adding our onions, here I have some whole spices with me: cumin, bay leaf, cinnamon stick and cardamom, green cardamom. Just saute it for a while. And yes, I have also added black cardamom. And here I have taken around 2 lengthwise cut onions. So in goes the onions, and we need to roast them till they turn into nice brown color. This will take around 3 to 4 minutes. And this caramelized color of onions will impart a beautiful brownish color to our pulao. So just make sure to fry these onions and wait till they turn into very nice brown color, dark brown color. So here, as you can see, they have started becoming caramelized, and in goes some ginger julienne. Now again saute it for a while. Here we are not deep frying these onions. I have just taken 2 teaspoons of oil. So in goes our chicken stock, in which we boiled our chicken with the whole spices. So this is the same preserved water. So in goes that. Strain it. So this water was the double of our rice taken. And now switch on the flame, and now I will be adding our dry spices to it. And yes, before adding our chicken and rice, here goes few powdered spices like 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, along with little bit of salt. And here goes 2 green chilies along with 1 teaspoon of garam masala. You can use chicken masala or biryani masala as well. This is coriander powder. And now I will be adding black pepper powder, half teaspoon. Now just cover it and let it cook for 2 minutes. As you can see, it has come to a boil, and now we will be adding this boiled garlic that we used in our stock while preparing our stock. This is the same garlic. You just need to press it and the pulp will come out itself. It is so easy to remove the pulp. Just press it as I'm going to show you. And this garlic will further enhance our pulao's flavor. Just add the whole garlic, and then we will be adding our chicken and rice. And now give it a good mix and let it cook on low heat for around 8 to 10 minutes till rice is fully done. And yes, our delicious mouth-watering chicken pulao is ready. And last but not the least, we are just going to garnish it with finely chopped coriander leaves and some ginger julienne. And yes, we are good to go. Hope you are going to love this recipe. And yes, do give this a try and let me know in the comment section below how it came out. Until my next vlog, take care, stay home, stay safe, and enjoy homemade good food. Bye for now. We'll see you in my next vlog. Until then, take care. Bye bye.